Welcome to Arlington Community Arts. Today we're making batik. Begin by covering your tables. Glue will soak through the fabric. Tape your fabric down so it lays flat and draw any design that you would like on your fabric with glue. After letting the glue dry overnight, fill in the glue lines that you made with acrylic paint. Let the paint dry overnight. The next day, fill a container with very hot water and soak your cloth for 20 minutes. Once the 20 minutes are up, scrub the glue out of the cloth and your batik is done.